Hey, what? Hey, what was that flow? Nah, bro, what was that flow right there? We can't just walk past that one. What was that flow, my guy? Yo, what's good, what's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Manuel, aka Power and Pappy. If you are new here, definitely hit the thumbs up on this one, hit the subscribe button as well. Real quick before we get into it, I have a special announcement to make today. Today's video is brought to you by NordVPN. Other than the obvious reason why a lot of people have been turning to VPNs lately, Buhari, with all the online activities that we have these days, if you're doing it all without the protection of a VPN, you're putting yourself at unnecessary risk, man. There've been a lot of cases of people getting hacked, notably Jesse Jags that was just hacked the other day, man. Even beyond that, NordVPN reduces your online footprint. Wouldn't it be nice to just window shop online without feeling like you're being watched and later on getting targeted ads and whatnot? You know what I mean? Sometimes we can just search things up for research purposes, you know? And with a lot of VPNs that are out there right now, you hear a lot of complaints about it slowing down their connection, but that's not the case with NordVPN. With over 5,000 servers in 59 countries, you're getting the fastest VPN experience on the market. And the cool thing is you get to secure yourself and the loved ones around you. One account can secure up to 6 devices. And guess what, guys? It comes with an amazing deal, 72% off of your 2-year plan. You know what that means in 2023? Just saying. Plus extra 3 months just for Jara, you know. Best believe this comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so you have absolutely no reason not to check this one out. Link in the description and in my bio. Ladies and gentlemen, get protected, okay? Now let's get back to the video, shall we? Today's video is a special one, okay? Justin Bieber is out here with a Peaches remix, okay? Now, I think it's interesting that a lot of the talents that we've been seeing from Afrobeats kind of like spring into the rest of the world. These talents, and many of them, are being managed and being handled by a lot of the major, you know what I mean, record labels like Universal, like Warner. Like these are big labels that also carry amazing superstars like Justin Bieber. Now these are obvious plays to propel the profile of the artists that are coming from Nigeria, coming from the Afrobeat scene, and I love this kind of direction to it, because not only are we getting a play for the artists such as Alpha P and Omah Lay, we're also getting a production remix as well from Mastercraft. So these DJ remixes that do come across artists like Justin Bieber, like all these EDM kind of DJ remixes. This is a very like, honestly, a great play that labels have been adopting recently, and I'm here for it, man. I'm here for Omah Lay, I'm here for Alpha P. Get your bag, get your plugins. Mastercraft's in the cut too, man. I'm excited about this one. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Hey. Okay. I see. I was in my head. This was exactly what I pictured. You know what I mean? Like, if there's supposed to be an Afrobeat spin on this, I was expecting like that very raw Afrobeat drum pattern to overtake Peaches, essentially. So the drum pattern here is very on point. It's exactly what I imagined it to be. I'm here for it, man. And I see you, the way I made you in, it's the sexy of your skin. Oh, that's it. Hey, that's that shit. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's it. Hey. Wait, who's this? Is it Omah Lay? No, this is Alpha P. This has to be Alpha P. Omah Lay, this has to be Alpha P. This is Alpha P. Nobody come closer. Hey, summer breeze. Hey. Nah, that was hard. I want to run Alpha P's verse again. That was sick. I don't know if that's the end of the verse, but how he entered, look at how he entered. Honestly, how he entered felt seamless on there. That Kalakuta bar, man. I'm like, bruh. Let me see. Nice nod to fella. Good. I get my weed from Kalakuta. Come on, bro. Hey. Nah, no. This is it. What is on your mind? Hey. What? Hey, what is that flow? Nah, bro, what was that flow right there? We can't just walk past that one. What was that flow, my guy? Come on, bro, that was hard. That was dope, man. Like, Alpha P is definitely one that you can obviously, from knowing from his previous record and previous work, he is one that can be dynamic. He can switch up flows, transition the flows well too, man. He can how he eased into this one was just too like, come on, bro. Hey. The real life bitches. Hey. My brother, tell me where you get out. That's funny, bro. Yo, that was hard. Alpha P. Setting the bar up there. Hey, shit. No, let's run it back. On my leg. Hey. Oh, okay. Come on. I was kind of expecting more from Omah though. Like he had like maybe 2 or 3 bars. Like it wasn't. We didn't get too much out of Omah, honestly. Okay, Mastercraft, lift your imprints. Yeah, let's go. Nah, Mastercraft was heavy. Okay, wait up. That was quite a moment. That was enjoyable. That wasn't bad at all. Obviously, you can tell that this is a remix of and like the original is still set in our minds already. The original of Peaches is still set in our mind. But this is an interesting play, like I said in the beginning. But I was actually impressed by this, man. This was actually not terrible. Alpha P fucking... Nah, bro, Alpha P. We didn't talk about Alpha P on... That verse was hard as... That verse was stupid, bro. Like, bro, that was crazy. That was crazy from Alpha P. Nah, I get my weed from Kalakuta. That way he entered the act, bro. That was hard. Respect to Alpha P. Omah was good too as he entered. I love how the beat kind of switched up as soon as he entered. But I was expecting a lot more, man. I was expecting a lot more because it was quite short for him. They didn't give him enough room on this song, unfortunately. A great finish up by Mastercraft. Mastercraft towards the end definitely left his imprint there. I'm like, yeah, big shout out to Mastercraft, man. Yo, this was not bad. This was better. Honestly, this was better than I was expecting, bro. This was a lot better than I was expecting. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of remix, this kind of direction that they took here. Of course, I've been your boy Mano, aka Power and Papi. Definitely check out the rest of the content here. I also have my interview series called Soaking Gary With. Go check that one out in the bio. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.